Hello guys, I am Orko. You are watching TechnoBroSA. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Subscribe to TechnoBroSA and do not forget that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video.
Today I am going to share my opinions and review the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A21s smartphone. So talking about its display, it will have 6.5-inch HD plus display support with plastic body but with glass top. It will have Exynos 850 chipset with Mali G52. It will have a dedicated micro SD card slot and the phone will be available in 3 variants. The 3GB 32GB variant, also with the 4GB 64GB variant and 6GB RAM with 64GB storage variant. Now talking about its camera, it will have 48MP primary camera, 8MP ultra wide, 2MP macro lens and 2MP depth sensor. And as it is common in a majority of Samsung mid-range smartphones that it provides 5000 mAh battery, so does this phone. It also has 5000 mAh battery. Now talking about the most important segment, that is the price of this product. How much will it cost? The 4GB 64GB variant will be priced something around 16,499 Indian rupees and the 6GB 64GB variant will be priced around 18,499 rupees. So overall I actually like this phone, but Samsung should change a few things in its mid-range smartphones, like it should provide full HD plus display support. They should also provide the 8GB RAM with 256GB storage variant. And talking about its price segment, if this phone costed around 15 to 16,000 rupees, then it would have been a killer budget smartphone because its price as compared to the specifications it is providing is quite high. So this was my review on this smartphone. What do you think? Comment down in the comment section below and do put a big fat thumbs up, and also if you are new, subscribe to our channel and put the notification bell to all to never miss any update from the TechnoBroSA. This was it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.